Hello guys and welcome back to today's video. My name is Zik, the programming guy. In today's video guys, I want to show you how to change your password on Audiomack. It's very easy, so let's get started. So if you want to change your password guys, all you have to do is open your Audiomack application and then log into your account. So once you log into your account, then you have to click on the profile icon at the top right corner of your screen, and then in the account section you're going to see change password option. Tap on that. So right here you have to enter your current password. After that, then you have to enter your new password, and then you have to confirm your new password here. So once you're done with that, you just have to click on update password at the bottom of your screen, and that's all. So guys, this is how you can actually update or change your password on Audiomack. Hope this guide was helpful. If it was, give this video a like and equally subscribe for more tips like this.